Hey guys, I really wanted to show you this property in Udaipur. It's a boutique homestay where I stayed during my Udaipur trip. As you can see, the room is quite spacious. With this is a I think a standard deluxe room category. Do have suites available, but at the time of our booking it wasn't available, so that's also nice. You can check that as well. And the property was quite spacious. Of course, it's built in a homestay style because the owners live in the ground floor, but they have the complete area on the other floors of as part of the homestay. And this is the view I you can see from the room. It's so beautiful. It's just you can see the backside of Lake Pichola. And this is the terrace area. Basically, this is just like a cafe restaurant area where you can just go for your meals. And this is the same place where they will be serving you the breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And if you're opting in for the room with breakfast, this would be the same place. And honestly, it's just near to the hills area. It's quite nice, but I should be very honest to you in terms of one thing. The only and the main drawback for staying in this place was this place was a bit in the outskirts, so we had a lot of problems while commuting from the main area to this side. Of course, the view and everything was nice, but we faced a lot of problem during our trip because we were staying here for 2 nights, so it was quite chaotic in terms of no one was agreeing the auto wallahs were not agreeing to go to this place, and the Uber was taking us intercity, though it was just a matter of few kilometers away from the main area. But yes, was an issue. But anyhow, if you like something to be in the offbeat area, then I would recommend this property, or else you can check out more. But yeah, as on for the stay wise, it was quite nice for us. And this is the outside exit area, as you can see.